If you're a small business owner, there comes a point in your business where you're trying to figure out why you're not making enough sales, why customers are not patronizing your business as much as they were, and what are you doing wrong that is not attracting the right customers to improve your sales. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the 5 things that are definitely wrong with either your sales strategy or your products or your market research, your target market, and how to overcome these struggles. There are 5 no's that every business owner must understand in order for them to increase or improve their sales. There are 5 no's that people need to understand are what guides every business if they're trying to make sales. The very first one is no need. You're selling products to customers that have no need for that product. When starting a business, you have to understand that a target market, the people that you're trying to sell these to, must have a need for the product or service you're offering. If they have no need for it, you cannot sell it to people. If you're in the business to either sell a particular product, it's either you have that product and you are finding the right target market in which that product serves those customers, or you found an audience that has a need for a particular product and you're bringing that product to them. So you can't find a product and push it to people that don't want it. So the second no is no hurry. If you're going to sell health insurance to somebody that had just completed a comprehensive check, that person's not going to purchase from you immediately. They might take 3 months to 6 months. They might eventually come back to purchase it from you, but there's no hurry for them to do so if they had just checked their body a couple of weeks ago. So if you're going to sell a service to anyone, ensure that there is a timestamp on it that says this person actually needs to buy this thing. There must be a need for it, and that need must be done quickly in order for you to satisfy the want or need of that person. I don't know if you're getting my drift, but you have to sell products that are time stamped to customers that need them. The third one is no desire. You're selling products to people that have no desire whatsoever to purchase either your service or your products, and that's a bad thing. It means that you have wrongly targeted the audience that you're trying to sell this goods to. It means that you have not done proper market research into the kind of products that that customer needs. And if you do that, you're not going to get any sales. You're selling to people that have no desire to buy it. Like me as a small business owner, someone tries to come and sell a business or a service to me. This is the kind of person, or this plug is a person I need to go into the healthcare industry. I have no need or desire for that industry. So why should I purchase that person's service? If someone is trying to sell a service to me and that person is trying to sell me someone that does printing or for packaging, that is tailored to what I'm interested in. I would definitely want to patronize that person's service. That's something that I desire for. It might not even be an urgent need, but it's something I desire to improve the packaging of my business or my products. So why not patronize that person? The fourth one is no trust. When a customer does not have trust in your product or service, let me tell you how they come to this conclusion. Now, as a business owner, the foundation of our business stems from the trust that we have to acquire from when we deliver on a product or service. And if that trust is broken, you have nothing. You cannot convince that person to try and purchase from you because 1, you've left a tainted image in that person's mind, and 2, that person can go ahead and destroy the credibility of your business. There are several guidelines that you must follow for you to ensure that this is achieved. The very first one is avoid selling products or services that is not in the best interest of the customer. I'll use Instagram business pages that I've seen that do this a lot. If you're selling an item that is a picture you've taken from AliExpress, do not on any account sell anything that's different from that picture. The moment they have this what I ordered versus what I got, it already destroys your credibility. It means nobody else can purchase from your business because you have sold something that is different from the picture that you use to advertise that product. Don't do it. It destroys the trust and credibility of your business. The second one is never misrepresent the image, the advantages or the benefits of the product that you're selling. If you're saying something can vacuum the floor, don't say that it can also be used as a telephone. Don't say it can also be used without plugging it into the power source. Don't misrepresent the product that you're selling and lie to your customer, because the moment they figure out that that thing does not do that function that you claimed it does, you've lost their trust. So ensure that you're selling things that are essential essential to that product that you're selling. Don't misrepresent it. Don't lie. The third one is don't promise anything you can't deliver. Whenever you're choosing your service providers for your business, like your delivery company, don't tell somebody you're going to deliver on Tuesday and deliver on Friday. Don't do it. I see a lot of business owners on Instagram that tell people that because they're doing discounts or sales, you're selling something on maybe Tuesday, and then at the bottom of the Instagram post you will now put that because it's on discount you're gonna ship out after the sales ends in like 2 weeks. You've already lost customers. I've had somebody do that to me and I said, after this time I will not purchase from you. You've lost me as a customer because one, I didn't read all the message that you put in your Instagram post. I will not go to the bottom after I've sent my money in to see that that's what your terms and conditions are, and then you will not say no refunds. How would I as a customer want to come back and purchase from you? You have to make sure that whatever promises you're saying on your post, like, oh, you're having discounts or sales, make sure that you are promising what you are saying you are promising. Don't lie. Now, the fourth one is if and when you must speak about your competitors, please do it respectfully. Don't be that bitter business owner that is putting bad seed in other people's businesses. As Nigerians term it, they're putting sansan in other people's gari. Don't do that. Don't be that person that goes to say bad things about another person's business because they're a competitor. Even if they're doing the worst things, let the customers that are patronizing them say it about them and then come and look to your business as a solution. Don't go and put sansan in their gari and then not come and say, because you've left the impression in the customer's mind that this person, no matter how good their service is, it is still a negative vibe I'm getting. It's toxic. Nobody wants to patronize from a toxic business. That's the honest truth. The fifth and last one under no trust is when you make promises, keep them. If you've promised your customer that you will ship out on Tuesday, ship out on Tuesday. If you've promised your customer that you're going to get freebies, give them freebies. If you promise your customer that they will get a particular item that comes with the product you're selling, give it to them. Don't make promises that you can't keep. Do not even commit to anything. Just sell what you can sell and move on. If you're telling them it will be shipped out in 3 to 5 working days, let it be 3 to 5 working days. Do not extend. I'm saying this because it also falls into the category of people that do pre-orders. You will come and tell people that it's 10 working days. After 10 working days, because they're delaying on that end, one, you don't have good customer service. You're not informing the customer that there's been a delay. You go ahead and make promises that you can't keep, and that customer puts you in a bad light. There's zero trust. I've seen all the influencers call out businesses that could have prevented this measure if they only were communicating with the customers and showing transparency. Now, the last and final no is no money. And this means that you have gone ahead to target people that should patronize your business that don't have any money. And that is bad because it means that your market research on the kinds of people that can patronize your business was wrong. Let me give an example here. If you're trying to sell a luxury jewelry set and you go and patronize university students, university kids don't have money. So what are you doing? You're targeting the wrong people. You're selling goods to people that do not need it and they're not going to patronize it. If you're selling laptop cases or phone case covers to students that use devices, that need laptop bags, that need charging devices, that need cables, cord, that makes perfect sense because you've seen that they're students, they need these things to operate in school. But you can't go and sell jewelry pieces or spa treatment to people that are in school that are trying to focus on their studies. So don't sell things to the wrong customers. Sell things to the right customers. Do the extensive research that is needed for you to know your right customers so that you're selling this to make money. Well, guys, I hope these points or these no's that I mentioned will somehow enlighten you on some of the issues I've seen small business owners have and some of the problems or mistakes that they make when starting a business. These are some of the things that I see them do that chase away potential customers and reduce their clientele. I'm very sure and very confident that if you address these issues in your business, you're definitely going to bring back those customers that you've lost and end up improving and increasing your level of customers. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. Bye, guys.